Yes, yes.
श्रीराम नानल हे त्यांच्या इन्स्टिट्यूट मध्ये या एंटरप्राइज एज्युकेशनचे सगळे लेसन्स आपण ट्राय आउट केले होते, ते आपल्याशी आता बोलणार आहे. He has done the initial research and trials of all these lessons which we'll be learning later at his institute. So he will give us some ideas about it. Please go ahead.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everybody, and good evening, panelists. And also, I will respectfully salute Mr. S.P. Ranade, sir. I have heard his name after a very long time. See, I was a banker, and still I am a banker, and I was doing my usual job as taking deposits, marketing, recovery, and everything. And once I was told that I have to form a enterprise institution for skill development training, and I am very proud to say that Bank of Maharashtra was the first among all the public sector banks to start such kind of institute. Rudsetti was there, but there was a trust held by Honorable Shri Hegdeji. So when I was transferred to that institute, nothing was there, and I was told that you make the rules and you make the programs. And then fortunately, by the grace of God, I met Wag sir, his then senior colleague Shri Gole, and also Ranade and other colleagues. And I will say that not only my canvas of enterprise education was broadened, but it was totally blank. And then the Wag sir, and with his usual experiments, it was much better than what it was. So I would like to share some of the innovative things which we did in the institute for 4 years between 2001 and 2005. While studying, and because that time Google was not there, so everything nowadays we search on Google and Quora and everything. So when this subject was told to us, see what I observed, that there are many facets to the concept of entrepreneurship. So I will say that it is spiritual, then it is what I will say business attentiveness, and then I will say that it is protecting the environment. And these ideas we got from the student itself. See, Wag sir told that they were all from the 10th standard and from other small villages, and they have failed as in the usual format, failing in the SSC or in the 12th standard, and they were confused. So accordingly, we started the institute with some innovative practices. Like I will say that there is a need for spiritual thinking also. So we started every day. We used to start with the day with the prayer, and then some meditation, 20 minutes and like that. In the beginning, they never used to sit quietly for 10 minutes or 20 minutes. Later on, they learned it. Then I will share the very innovative ice breaking and microlab which we introduced in the beginning of the first day of the session. So I remember that we used to have microlab and ice breaking in the terrace of our institute. So there was one program where you will not speak, but you will make some actions, and then you will try to explain your motives. So I remember it was in 2002, and the country was facing some communal riots, particularly in Gujarat. So those boys and girls from the villages, they prayed for the communal harmony with their actions. So it was a very touching experience, and what people are thinking about the religions that taught us. Then we started our own experiences. I used to teach and explain the hardships and obstacles by screening the Lagan, because that time Lagan was there, and Lagan was a very popular film, and it was an basic entrepreneurial education itself. So the day before the last day of the match, and everybody was disappointed, and there was a song by Mule, Suhasini Mule, O Palanhare. So and next day the things are turned. So how you can fight the obstacle? Even I tried with some famous Hindi songs also. That was a very amazing experience. How a song from Hindi film can turn your mood and mind. So I used to play the song from Imtihan, Ruka Jana Nahi Kisi Ka, Ruka Jana Nahi. Then that time in 2003, I used to play that cricket match between India and Pakistan, when that Shoaib Akhtar was there, where he was in full swing Rawalpindi Express, and how Sachin Tendulkar turned the table on other team. So with these kind of tools, we used to teach the boys and girls about the enterprise education. Something Wag sir was telling about something, the business enterprise. What we used to do, because majority of the students, they had not visited Pune, and they visited Pune for the first time. So suppose a electrical repairing batch is there, we tell them tomorrow you have to go after the breakfast, you have to go to the market and you have to bring the quotations for implements, tools and fans and electric tube lights and like that. They will ask us, then what is the bus number which goes to that area? We don't know. So you have to search it. In which area? That Pasoda Vithoba, that is the main electrical market in Pune city. So that Pasoda Vithoba, how to go? We don't know. So this kind of facing the unknown things brought them the entrepreneurship culture. Even I will tell you, sir, we used to run the beauty parlor courses. And beauty parlor, I was not knowing anything beyond the thread and that other tours. So when we got the information that in Mumbai, Parel is the wholesale market by beauty parlor implements and raw material, we sent some of the boys to Mumbai by spending for their conveyance. And they said, I said, you go there, you search the shops, and then you find the difference. These are some of the things which we try to introduce. Then I will tell you, we used to conduct a dummy interview or a role play interview because see, credit is required. So fortunately, Bank of Maharashtra chairman and general manager credit was very fortunate, very cooperative. They brought a credit linkage scheme for the just MCT trainers. So we used to make a role play by taking the interview of a would-be prospective loanee, and we used to invite some of the branch managers, and then our trainee participants they learned how to face the branch manager, how to enter. So we used to have some salutation process also, how to talk on the telephone, how to say good morning, goodbye, and like that. So these are some of the things. I will like to express my gratitude to Mr. Wag and his enterprise education, because one thing it remained to tell you that he has devised a video of 2-3 minutes. And then in the beginning, we used to tell them, you draw the probable enterprises from that video. And what Mr. Wag was telling, they used to list at least 50 to 55 new enterprises. And they said that, sir, what we are thinking that there is nothing in our life and we don't have jobs and we don't have preoccupation. But by seeing this video, we are now with enough ideas. Before I end my session, I will tell you one example. With Wag sir and his team, we had been to Lucknow for presenting our ideas. And that time, Mayawati was the chief minister. And we were occupied one hotel in front of the Vidhan Bhavan. And I was visiting one road. And then I found that there was no Xerox photocopying shops. So when I returned to hotel, I told that manager, sir, can I suggest you one good enterprise? बोलिए. Then मैं बोला, साहब, ये रास्ते पे आपका एक भी Xerox photocopying shop नहीं है. So that can give one job and one business to some of your friends and relatives and cousins and like that. So he said, how did you have come for the first time in Lucknow and how you know this? I said, this is the surveying method for the prospective enterprises. So once again, I express my thanks and gratitude to enterprise education. They have given me a lot of ideas. And see, it is not just an entrepreneur. It is your own thinking, and entrepreneurship becomes a way of life. Now, after retirement also, I was a advisor to district collector for infrastructure planning. So there also, I got these skills because of initial training to me also. And when at Swargate, I meet some of the boys whom I have trained, and they salute me. It is a point of satisfaction to me. So once again, thank you very much.
Amazing. Thank you very much, Nanal sir. You have